Xbox.
If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you want to do is unscrew and remove the access door. Now unscrew and remove the battery. Next, unscrew the hard drive. After that, lift the hard drive out of the laptop and unplug the hard drive connector. Now unplug and loosen the cable. Then you're going to unplug the LCD cable. Now unscrew, unplug, and remove the fan. After that, remove the bottom base screws. Next, turn the laptop over and open it up. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, press the keyboard tabs in to loosen the keyboard. Now carefully turn the keyboard over and unplug the keyboard cables. Next, remove the palm rest screws. Now unplug the palm rest cables. Then you're going to close the laptop and turn it over. Now remove the middle frame. Next, remove the left and right hinge screws. Now remove the LCD display assembly. Next, unplug the speaker cable. Now remove the motherboard screws. Next, turn over the motherboard and unplug the DC jack to remove the motherboard. Now remove the DC jack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.